Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see how you can use PayPal on Onlyfans. Is it possible or not? We are going to check. So first we are on the Onlyfans community guidelines and here you can see that not accepted and PayPal is mentioned here. And once we are on the PayPal community guidelines, here you can see that we don't permit PayPal account holder to buy or sell sexually oriented digital goods or content delivered through digital medium. Example, digital goods include downloadable pictures or videos and website subscriptions. So basically, this is the policy of PayPal, and it is also mentioned on the OnlyFans that you are unable to use PayPal. So you can use Visa or MasterCard if you want, but there is no option to use PayPal. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.